Couple different things under fractions, and the first one is when you see this, reduce, the book will give you this direction, reduce this fraction, and then they give you 2 times 2 times this, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 over 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. When you see this, ladies and gentlemen, actually it's just gentlemen today, believe it or not, okay, what you can do here is, I should write this down, you can cross off 1 for 1 identical top and bottom factors. Which simply means this. If you see a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom, they will cross off, but you only do it 1 for 1. In other words, this 1, 2 will cross off of the second 2 there. This second 2 on top will cross off with that second 2 down there. This 2, there's no other 2's left on the bottom, so that one will stay. And then this 5 and this 5 will cross off. And then after that, you need to remultiply if needed. Which you don't have to do here because there's no other factors, but this is 2/3. What you're actually doing there, just in case you wondered, what is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, anybody? Abram?
40.
Thank you. What's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5? Jacob?
60.
60. What you're actually doing there is the same thing as having this fraction and just reducing it. For example, we know that 2 goes into both of these numbers, so you divide them both by 2 over 2, which gives you 20 over 30. Well, that's what I did when I crossed off those first 2. I divided by double 2's. And then look here, another, you can divide it by 2 again. You end up with 10 over 15, which was when I crossed off these 2 terms. And then what number goes into 10 and 15? Those 2 5's that I did there. So you divide them both by 5, and you end up with the 2/3 we got for our answer. 2 2's and a 5, 2 2's and a 5, 2 2's and a 5. You're just reducing that sort of thing there. Let me give you one more, just because I know you're excited about this. How about this one? 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 over 2 times 2 times 5. And you do need to write these out. If this is the problem in the book, you have to write that on your paper. What's going to cross off there? This set of 2's, this set of 2's, that set of 5's. What are you left with, Wade Davis? Just a 3 over 1 or a 3. It's fine. Now, one thing to remember is that if everything crosses off on the top, but there's still something on the bottom, what if this was backwards? Let me rewrite this. What if it was top, the top was this, and the bottom was this? And the 5's cross off and the 2 sets of 2's, and you're left with just a 3 on the bottom. What should your answer be? Wade Davis.
0.
Nope. If everything crosses off, you put a 1 on top. Okay? The answer to this one would be 1/3. If the number ends up on the bottom and no number left on the top, it's 1. Because you can always put 1 as factors. So you always got to leave the smallest you can get on top is a 1. The reason why you don't have it on the bottom is because you can put a 1 on the bottom, but 3 over 1 is
Still 3.
still 3. So that's good there. And then under fractions as well, let me stop and start this.